Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I do a baby shower themed set. I've already prepped my model's nails and I've applied tips as well. I'm going to do a French first on all the nails and I'll be creating my smile line using the easy French cutter. It's really easy to use and it does save a tremendous amount of time. Before the acrylic sets, you want to dip the French cutter into clear powder before cutting your smile line. The French cutter is perfect for creating a not too deep smile line. It's very important to dip your French cutter into clear powder just so that when you try to cut a smile line out, it doesn't stick. The cutter doesn't stick to the acrylic on the nail. I'm picking up a small bead and I'm placing it right on the nail bed. I'll pat that bead gently, push it gently into the cuticle and pull all the way to the free edge. If I need a little extra, I'd add, which I did. Then I'll check to see how it looks. If you need a little more, please do add so that you don't have to go back in. And then also I'd look at it from every angle and to see that it's nice and flush. Once I'm satisfied, I'm going to dip my French cutter into clear powder and cut out a smile line. Okay, so a little caution about the French cutter is that it does have numbers to fit each nail. So I advise that you size the nail out to the right number before you begin application. So I'd also do this to the rest of the nail and I'll get back to you guys when I'm about to fill the nails back in with jelly, glitter, blue and pink. So before I forget, if you want your smile lines to be a lot deeper, then you can edge the nails down a bit, file the smile lines a bit, just like I did. On filing, make sure you've taken out all of the dust from the nail before you start filing. Now on one hand I'm going to use the glitter soft jelly pink and on the other hand I'm going to use the glitter jelly blue because that's usually the colors used at baby showers when the guests are asked to guess the gender of the baby. When you want to start filling out the nail, I advise you take beads that are very small, majorly because that's usually the mistake people make when they're doing French. The nail ends up being bulky, so you can take smaller beads and then add as much as you need. I'm done with the application and I did go off camera to file the nails. That's what they look like. I wanted to add a little bit of rhinestones and some 3D flowers as well, so that's just what I'm showing you guys now. I wanted to show you guys a clip of how I do that as well. And for my 3D flowers, I did add a little bit of acetone in my monomer, and this just helps my beads to set a lot faster, just so that you can work fast. It's not compulsory you do that, but sometimes the powders are usually very would I say pigmented, or they have quite a lot of white in it, and it doesn't set as quickly, and it's usually just runny all over the place and sticking to your brush and chalky. So the acetone does help to allow the beads to set fast. Nails are ready to go. I did apply matching rhinestones to the rest of the nails, and yeah, this is what they look like. This is the final result, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it really helpful. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.